So a bunch of new updates have come here in the last week in the form of 2021-36, which has airbag system improvements, some cold weather improvements as winter here is coming. We did get mobile app improvements, as well as in 2021-36.8, the Sentry Mode live camera access. And if we read kind of the notes on that one, you can see it. You can now view your car surroundings from the Tesla app when parked to confirm the safety of your environment before returning to your car. So basically, this is a live camera feed to your smartphone, to your iOS device that you can access. And so it shows here that to enable or disable, we're going to go into Controls, Safety and Security, View Live Camera via mobile app, and then on the display here, and then that will enable it on the app side. Now, you also have to have the most updated iOS app, and that all kind of the integration came in 2021-36.5. So if we, I just want to comment quickly on the airbags. I think the airbag update, I think it's amazing what Tesla is doing. I saw a video on LinkedIn, which I will put in the comments section in the video, and it is really incredible. So the crash test team at Tesla is using the fleet, and when I say the fleet, I mean the vehicles that are in the vehicles that they've sold. Basically, each vehicle has sensors at all sorts of different positions. They know where your seat is positioned, they know the speed you're traveling, so they are able to pull all that data and feed that into an algorithm that then can optimize basically how these airbags deploy. And so what I mean by that is depending on where a vehicle is hit or struck by another car, they are able within milliseconds to identify that location and where your seat is, and then adjust the way these airbags deploy based on that data that they're getting. And so it's just amazing, because that video was released on October 12th, and then here we are just a couple weeks later, and the update has already been deployed OTA over the air to my vehicle. So it's really incredible the time we live in, and what this car company is doing, not only related to safety, but just from a technological standpoint, how they're able to just deploy this thing over the air is mind-blowing to me. And I think that's reflective of why the stock is over $1,000. I mean, it's a really amazing thing. So right now, just driving up to a location where I can put this into Sentry Mode, and we can play with the app a little bit and see what we see live. So I'm gonna pull up here to a shopping center and park the car, and then we'll check it out. Once you walk away from the car, you'll notice when you get a certain distance away, the lights will just kind of kick on. There you go. That shows you that Sentry Mode is on. Now, some of the things I noticed here was when I hit, like for instance, you hit flashlights, you will see the lights flash there. I mean, they're flashing outside the car, but you also see them flash on the actual vehicle here. If I hit honk, it'll also honk. It's really loud, though. I've already pissed off a few people around me. But I've noticed here, it's not showing, it's not refreshing. Now, when I do hit refresh, I notice that it communicates. So when I hit this, I will see the phone dialog box pop up real quick, almost like it's placing a call. That must be maybe the way they're communicating to the vehicle. But I'm not sure. So at first, what I've tried already, I've rebooted this car several times. I've rebooted the app. I cannot get any of these buttons, to switch between different camera views. I can't get the feed to be live or to refresh. So at first glance, I'm not sure what's going on here. I'm going to troubleshoot this a little more and see if I can get it to work. So yesterday, I gave up after about an hour of trying to connect, hit and refresh, etc. I ended up creating a service ticket with Tesla, and then about 6 or 7 hours later, my wife ended up going to the store, and so I connected to the vehicle. The Sentry Mode was off. I turned it on remotely, and when I did that, I got a dialog box that popped up, an Apple dialog box, so something, some sort of permission setting that needed permissions to pass through the app. I clicked OK on that, and I was able to view the Sentry Mode live. So I haven't tried it yet today. so I just walked away, and I'm going to fire up the app here, and let's see if it'll work. So it is logged in as my profile. So I'll click security, click on the Sentry Mode, which is already on live camera, and it's spinning. And there we go. So now we've got front view. If I click on the side view, it'll switch. There's the side view, other side, driver's side, and rear view. So that's pretty cool. It does work. I think it was really just that permissions issue. So it was a little bit tricky to get it started, but I think once it's up and running, it looks pretty stable. There you go. Yeah, leave any comments. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.